Another important condition which is very similar to CSR. Here, this one is your, you can see the cyst-like spaces in the fundus, CME. This is called as honeycomb appearance. This is actually एक refreshed ears that will act as a placebo. ठीक है, तो honeycomb appearance, we are getting the cyst-like spaces in the fundus. Cyst-like spaces in the fundus, this is actually the cystoid macular edema. Edema मतलब fluid collection. Cystoid means cyst-like, macula में and edema in which layers? Again in the open. Open मतलब in the layers of outer plexiform and inner nuclear. And outer plexiform is Henle's layer, and Henle's layer contains the petaloid fibers. ये इसकी most important thing है because it contains the petal-like fibers. Therefore, the fluid will be accumulated petal-like. Therefore, dye will go petal-like, and therefore you will get flower petal appearance. Again, a PYQ, the name of the Henle's layer along with the petaloid fibers along with the flower petal appearance. CSR versus CME है. CME का OCT देखो, you can see the cyst-like spaces here. These are the cyst-like spaces. तो ये जो cyst-like spaces है, cystoid macular edema है, honeycomb appearance in the fundus है, and if you see the FFA, very beautiful flower petal appearance. The beautiful flower petal appearance in the cystoid macular edema. What is the treatment and what are the causes? Causes बहुत ज्यादा important है. You have got many risk factors. If you have, number one, it is associated with the retinitis pigmentosa. It can be associated with the uveitis. And which vitamin, guys? Which vitamin can cause cystoid macular edema? Can I have the answers, please? Then it can be associated with the prostaglandin analogs. It can be associated with the CRVO. It can be associated with the cataract surgery. It can be associated with the cataract surgery. Then with the diabetic retinopathy and with the epinephrine. Along with the epinephrine like this. Which vitamin? Yes, it is actually the niacin toxicity. So this is a question of NEET 2020. Which vitamin in the supraphysiological doses can cause the macular edema and the macular cyst? Macular edema and the macular cyst is actually caused by the niacin. Yes, epinephrine in aphakia, exactly. And obviously because it is edema, so treatment will be the steroids. Therefore, the treatment will be the steroids. So let us try to do a very important question on this. Ye dekho. Can you solve this question? And patient is taking the drugs for rheumatoid arthritis and is also having the history of cataract surgery 1 year back with the sudden painless loss of vision. Now what I told you, whenever I say that the patient is having sudden painless, therefore it is having something of the posterior segment. उससे पहले मैंने क्या किया है? Whenever you get a question, please look at the image. So look at the image and tell me what is this. You can see a flower petal appearance. Now I know flower petal appearance मतलब cystoid macular edema. Now cystoid macular edema, can it occur after cataract surgery? Yes, it can occur. And the answer is cystoid macular edema. Otherwise, when you read this question that the patient is taking the drugs for rheumatoid arthritis, you may be thinking about chloroquine, hydroxychloroquine, and your mind is going towards the bullseye maculopathy and everything. But if you have looked at the image, you are not focusing on this. Rather, you are focusing on the cataract surgery and your answer is cystoid macular edema directly. ठीक है? Okay. Now see what is this? This is actually the Amsler grid. So another important test which is a macular function test. Amsler grid is a macular function test. Please look at this. It is a macular function test and there are two kind of patterns. See, this is a wavy pattern. You can see this wavy pattern. Wavy pattern is found in the macular diseases. Whenever we are having the macular diseases, we are going to have the wavy pattern. And another pattern that we can have. Another pattern is this one. This is the missing lines. This is the missing lines. If it is the missing lines, that means it is a optic nerve disease. Direct hai. If you are having a macular disease, wavy pattern, missing lines, then we are having the optic nerve disease. What is this? It is a macular function test. Amsler grid. ये देखो another AIIMS question. AIIMS question 2017 and they had asked what is this? So now you know the retinal histology also है ना? Retinal histology we know. So can we name this? ये देखो you can see this lumen of the vessels here. So this is the choroid and what is the basal lamina What is the basal amina of the choroid called as? This is called as the Brooks membrane. Basal amina of the choroid is the Brooks membrane, while this one is the RPE layer, darkly pigmented है. Darkly pigmented RPE layer के बाद क्या था? The layer of rods and cones. Rods and cones will have outer segment, inner segment. Outer segment and inner segment है. उसके बाद you can see this is outer nuclear layer and this is the external limiting membrane. So what is this actually? Therefore, this is a drusen. Very, very important. Another histopathological question. You can see the retinal histology and you can easily answer. Now, if you know that this is a drusen, that means it is ARMD. What kind of ARMD? Dry RMD. So, dry RMD ka treatment is a multivitamin plus antioxidant. Now, they can ask you any question. They can ask you the name of this sign, the name of the disease, as well as the treatment also.